This is my breadboarded ATmega328P. This is the same chip that is in the Arduino, and most of the pins that have to be wired up right away are these 3 pins right here. These 2 go to VCC, and this one goes to ground. This one over here goes to power, and this one goes to ground. This one right here is the 16 megahertz crystal that will power a clock instead of using the integrated clock, and they are connected through 20 picofarad capacitors. This button over here is the reset button. It is connected to the Arduino through this, and it is grounded, or it is connected to power here. And then this is our programmer. It has 6 pins. There's the reset pin, the clock pin, the master in slave out pin, master out slave in pin, 5 volts and ground pin. These are all connected to the pins on the Arduino respectively. The master in and slave out and master out slave in are used to communicate between the Arduino and the programmer normally, but this will be our 328P, which is the Arduino. The rest of the circuit is 2 shift registers right here. One of these shift registers is wired up to the 7-segment display, and the other one is wired up to the 4 LEDs. When this is plugged in, it'll count from 0 to 15 in binary on the LEDs and in hexadecimal on the 7-segment display. The 5-volt regulator over here is used to, if you wanted to plug it into a battery, you just plug the battery plugs in here, and it will give power to both these rails and power the circuit.